Good morning, students. Our today's topic is dilution of acids. Mixing of an acid with water is called dilution. It is observed that when a concentrated acid is diluted with water, heat is produced. Thus, dilution of an acid in water is an exothermic reaction. Now the question is, how to dilute a concentrated acid? Now, as we know that dilution of a concentrated acid is highly exothermic reaction. The heat produced is so large that the solution may splash out or the glass beaker in which the dilution is carried out may break due to excessive heating. Hence, to slow down the exothermic reaction, dilution of a concentrated acid is always done by taking sufficient amount of water in a beaker and adding concentrated acid into it slowly with stirring. Thus, we always dilute an acid by adding acid into water, not water into acid. Alright. Now next is dilution of bases. Just as dilution of a concentrated acid with water is exothermic, similarly, if we dissolve bases like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide in water, the solution is found to be hotter. And this shows that the dissolution of bases in water is also an exothermic process. Now our next topic is effect of dilution on H+ ion concentration of an acid. Students, when we dilute an acid, the concentration of H+ ions per unit volume in the solution decreases. In other words, the solution becomes less acidic. This can be verified with, or we can just check it with the pH scale. Tomorrow I'll explain you about the pH scale. When an acid is diluted with the water, the H+ ion concentration per unit volume decreases. Similarly, if a solution of a base is diluted with water, the hydroxide ion means OH- ion concentration per unit volume in the solution decreases. Hence, the basic strength of the solution decreases with the dilution.